Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Kadence semi-acoustic guitar. First, let's get set up. Hold the guitar comfortably against your body, ensuring it feels balanced. Connect your guitar to an amplifier using a standard instrument cable. Make sure the cable is securely plugged into both the guitar's output jack and the amplifier's input. Adjust your strap so the guitar sits at a comfortable playing height, allowing easy access to the fretboard and strings. Now let's explore the controls. Your Kadence semi-acoustic guitar typically has volume and tone knobs, plus a pickup selector switch. The volume knob controls the overall loudness, while the tone knob adjusts the brightness or warmth of your sound. The pickup selector allows you to choose between different pickups, offering distinct tonal characteristics. Experiment with these controls to discover the wide range of sounds your guitar can produce. Ready to play? Start by learning a few basic open chords such as G, C, and D. These are fundamental for many songs. Focus on pressing your fingers firmly just behind the frets to get clear notes without buzzing. Next, practice simple strumming patterns, perhaps just downstrokes to a steady rhythm. Consistency is key here. Aim for even timing and a smooth motion with your strumming hand. To keep your Kadence guitar in top condition, wipe it down after each playing session to remove oils and dirt. Regular string changes, perhaps every 2 to 3 months, will maintain optimal tone and playability. Most importantly, establish a consistent practice routine. Even 15 minutes daily can lead to significant improvement over time. Enjoy your musical journey with your semi-acoustic guitar.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.